When two binomials are multiplied, the result is called a binomial product. The square of a binomial is a perfect square trinomial. A perfect square trinomial is composed of the following terms. The first term is the square of the first term. So the first term is a square the first term. The second term is twice the product of the first term and the second term. The second term is twice the product of first term and the last term. And the third term is the square of the second term of a binomial. Apply the FOIL method to verify the special product in a plus b squared. So we have a plus b squared. Since this is a square of binomial, dalawa daw niyan. So a plus b times a plus b. A times a. Next, a times b. We have ab. B times a, which is ba. B times b. So a times a, we have a squared. ab times a times b, ab. B times a, ab. B times b, b squared. By adding the middle term, ab plus ab, we have 2ab. So copy the a squared, and then add, we have 2ab, and then b squared. Study the following examples in finding the square of binomial. See how the expressions have been simplified by applying the special product formula. Simplify each expression. We have given of mn plus 5 squared. So, according to the formula or the steps, we need to square the first term, which is mn, and then twice the product of the first term and the last term, which is 2 times mn times 5. And then lastly, we need to square the last term, which is 5. So, mn squared, we have m squared, and then n squared, then get the product of this middle term, 2mn times 5, we have 10mn, and then 5 times 5, we have 25. So therefore, the answer is m squared n squared plus 10mn plus 25. Number 2. Find the square of a binomial. We have 2p plus 6. So square the first term, which is 2p squared. And then twice the product of the first term and the last term. And the last term will be squared. So 2p squared, we have 4p squared. Then 2 times 2 times 6, we have 24 and p. And then 6 times 6 or 6 squared, we have 36. Study the following examples. Find the product of the square of binomial. Apply the special product formula. PQ minus 7 squared. So according to the rule, square the first term, which is PQ. And then twice the product of the first term and the last term, which is 2 times PQ 7. And then square the last term, which is 7. So square the PQ. We have p squared, q squared. Copy the sign of the middle term, which is negative. And then 2 times 7, we have 14 pq. Then square the last term, which is 7 times 7, which is 49. So the answer is p squared, q squared minus 14 pq plus 49. Another example. Square of a binomial of 2r minus s squared. So square the first term, which is 2r. Copy the sign or get the sign of the middle. Twice the product of the first term and the last term plus square root of the last term. So 2r, 2 times 2, which is 4. And then r times r, which is r squared, minus 2 times which is 4, and then r squared. Then s squared, which is s raised to 4.